If you have a timeshare, you have a debt that never ends, a debt that grows every year, even when you don't use it. The timeshare industry was designed to be easy to enter, but impossible to leave. They want you trapped in a cycle of skyrocketing fees and special assessments that you'll eventually pass down to your children.
We were totally overwhelmed by the timeshare situation. When my parents died, we got stuck with their timeshare. I wish they never bought it. The fees put us in debt and it became a real mess in our lives.
We are so grateful for the team at Resort Reclaim. They made everything so simple. They took care of all the legal steps and got us out. It was such a relief knowing that they had our back through the entire process.
You've looked for a way out, but legal companies want $15,000 up front for work they can't guarantee, often using the same simple steps you could do yourself if you only had the insider playbook. At Resort Reclaim, we believe you shouldn't have to pay a fortune to get out of your timeshare. We've decoded the system that developers and high-priced attorneys keep hidden from the public.
Well, I had almost given up on ever getting out of my timeshare. The resort wouldn't budge. I couldn't afford all the fees, and the resort was even threatening legal action if I didn't pay. Things can change when you're my age, but the resort doesn't care. They want their money, and that's all they care about. I thank God I found Resort Reclaim. They didn't just cancel my contract, they fought for me and made sure the resort couldn't push me around. They are the real deal.
Our guide, How to Get Out of Your Timeshare for Free, provides the exact tools, phone numbers, and legal templates needed to cancel your contract, eliminate your mortgage, and even seek compensation. Need more? Our pro video training shows you the secrets to not only exit, but potentially reclaim your initial investment. These are the hidden tactics exit companies charge tens of thousands for.
I've been trying to get out of my timeshare for years. Every time I would call the resort, I felt like I was just going in circles, being transferred to one person, another person, another person. That's when I found Resort Reclaim, and they changed everything. They helped me file a claim, and they showed me how to get my money back. It was so easy. They took care of everything, and I mean everything for me.
Normally, this priceless insider knowledge retails for over $5,000 alone. And even at those prices, you'd save tens of thousands in future fees. But you've already lost enough money. For a very limited time, we're offering the complete guidebook for not $5,000, not for $3,000, not for $1,000, but for just $895.
Being a victim of a timeshare fraud, it's hard to know who to trust. We were skeptical at first, but Resort Reclaim really delivered. We were paying for a timeshare that we never used, and the fees were constantly rising. Resort Reclaim guided us through the whole process, and within a few months, we got out of the contract and the maintenance fees. It's the best decision we ever made.
That's not $15,000, not even $1,000. This is a fraction of 1 year's maintenance fee to buy back your freedom and peace of mind. But this flash price is temporary. The price will go up, so act now. Don't wait for the next bill to arrive. Click the link below to download your freedom now, or contact us to speak with a consultant. Reclaim your investment. Reclaim your life. Don't wait. Act now.
Thanks to Resort Reclaim, I got my life back.
They help you reclaim your timeshare investment.
Resort Reclaim fought for me, and I won.
If you're ready to take control, reach out to Resort Reclaim today.
Resort Reclaim. Proven steps, real results, total freedom. Start your reclaim today.